The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Thomas Edison. I know it sounds like a broken record, but it is the reality of my life. I used to give up easily. I used to run. I used to hide behind a person's back. And that back is always being owned by my father. I always ask myself, am I really capable? Can I really do this? Yes, you really tried. My weakness is always with myself. And that weakness will never be gone in one go. My father always told us, no matter how hard life is, don't ever give up on your dreams. Don't ever surrender when you never even try. He is not only a hiding spot when I want to run and hide, crying all the time, but also the person who built a foundation within me. And that foundation is determination. My determination stands as my transcendence. I could surpass those negativity, unimportant judgment, and hard challenges I have encountered every day. Better me to change my cowardly behavior, stop hiding, and continue my journey toward my transcendence.